On the left-hand side, go to Elements, search for Line. For this example, I'm going to use this dashed line to create an animation effect. I can come over to the top, I can change the line color, I can make it a solid color, or I can make it a gradient color, depending on your own preference. I can also change the stroke style by increasing or decreasing the weight of the line. I can also choose how I want my line to start and end. So at the top, I can click on Line Start, and I can have this circle to indicate the start of the line. And if I go to the right, click on Line End, I can have this arrow to indicate the end of this line. I can also come over to Line Type and adjust how I want this line type to be. So I can either have it straight, elbowed, or curved. And I can drag my arrow to the start and the end. And I can drag the middle point to bend the arrow in whichever direction I want. Finally, come over to the top and click on Animate. Scroll down and click on Wipe. And I can adjust the speed of my animation by making it faster or slower. And you can leave the rest of these on default. So now if I preview my animation, this is what it looks like. So now I can come over to Share, Download, and now notice this is now an MP4 video. And now I can download this to my computer. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.